Hello everyone, in this video I am going to tell you that how can you get your dream courses from Coursera for free using financial aid. So, open Google and type Coursera login. Now, click on the first link, you will be redirected to Coursera homepage where you have to create an account and log in your account. Here, I have already logged in. Now, in the search box, type whatever course you wanted to be enrolled. Here, I opt for web development. When you click on enrolled for free, you have to pay money for full course video lecture. But you have to go with financial aid, then click on financial aid available. Here, it is written that application can take place up to 15 days, but don't worry, just go with continue to the application. After clicking this, you will be redirected to the application page. Now, you have to fill all your details. For answering reason you applied for aid. Open new tab, type Coursera financial aid answers and do same as I am doing. Copy and paste all the answer and replace the bold part of the text answers given in the website with your main topic. Copy and paste all the answer and replace the bold part of the text answers given in the website with your main topic. Click on the checkbox and rewrite the following sentence. Now, it will take up to 15 days to process and you will get an email immediately after submitting your application successfully to your registered email address.